Welcome back to Grammar Grade 6. This is Unit 3, Lesson 19, and today we're looking at a special way verbs can show that an action is still going. It's called the progressive form, and once you see how it's built, you'll spot it everywhere. Let's get into it. So, what does the word progressive even mean? It comes from progress, which means moving along, and that's exactly the idea. A progressive verb shows an action that is in progress, an action that hasn't stopped yet. It's still happening, still rolling along. Here's a picture that helps. A plain verb is like a photo, one frozen moment. But a progressive verb is like a movie playing, an action that continues over time. Keep that movie in your head as we go. Every progressive verb is built from the same simple recipe. And once you know it, you can build one yourself. You take a form of the verb be, and you add the main verb with ing on the end. That's it, a form of be plus the ing verb. For example, is plus running gives you is running, and was plus singing gives you was singing. Two pieces, snap together. The helper be tells us who and when, and the ing part tells us the action that keeps going. Let's meet the first kind, the present progressive. This one uses am, is, or are as the helper, and it shows an action that is happening right now, at this very moment. Watch. I am reading a comic. The dog is chasing its tail. They are building a fort. Notice how each one feels alive, like you could walk in and catch it happening. You pick am, is, or are to match who is doing it, but they all point to the same time, right now. Now the second kind, the past progressive. This one swaps in was or were as the helper, and it shows an action that was going on earlier, at some point in the past. Listen, I was reading when the lights went out. The dog was chasing its tail. They were building a fort all morning. Each action was already in progress back then, stretched across some time. Use was for one person or thing, and were for more than one. Same movie idea, just rewound to the past. Here's a contrast that makes the whole thing click. Take this simple sentence. She reads every night. That's a habit. Something she does over and over. But it doesn't tell us she's doing it this second. Now switch to progressive. She is reading right now. See the difference? By adding the helper is and the ing form, we've turned a general habit into an action that is in progress at this moment. Simple tells you what usually happens. Progressive shows you what's happening as we watch. Before we practice, a quick word about spelling that ing form, because a couple of verbs need a small change. Rule 1. If the verb ends in a silent E, drop the E before adding ing. So bake becomes baking, not baking. Rule 2. For many short verbs ending in one vowel and one consonant, you double that last consonant. So run becomes running, and swim becomes swimming. Most other verbs are easy. You just add ing. So play becomes playing. When in doubt, check the ending before you add ing. Here's a quick check you can run on any sentence. Ask two questions. 1. Is there a form of be, like am, is, are, was, or were? 2. Does the very next verb end in ing? If the answer to both is yes, you found a progressive verb. And if the be is am, is, or are, it's present progressive. If it's was or were, it's past progressive. 2 little questions and you've got it. Let's try some together. In this first set, each sentence already has a progressive verb. Your job is to decide whether it's present progressive or past progressive. Look at the helper. Am, is, or are means present. Was or were means past. Pause the video and try each one before I give the answer. The kittens are napping in the sun. Look at the helper, are, and the ing verb, napping. Are is one of the right now helpers. Am, is, are. So this action is happening at this very moment. The answer is present progressive. We were baking cookies all afternoon. The helper here is were, and the main verb is baking. Were points to the past, so this action was going on earlier, stretched across the whole afternoon. The answer is past progressive. Maya is painting a giant mural. The helper is the word is, and the verb is painting. Is belongs to the right now group, so Maya is doing this at this moment. The answer is present progressive. Now let's build a progressive verb ourselves. Each sentence gives you a helper and a main verb, and you choose the correct progressive form. Watch the helper and the ing spelling. Pause and try each before I answer. Right now, the team blank, from practice, on the field. The words right now tell you this is happening in the present, so we need a present helper, is, with the ing verb, practicing. The answer is practicing. Yesterday, they blank, from build, a treehouse. The word yesterday tells you this happened in the past, and they is more than one, so we need were with building. The answer is were building. Listen, a bird blank, from sing, outside the window. The word listen means it's happening right now, and a bird is just one, so we use is with singing. The answer is singing. Let's wrap up what we learned. A progressive verb shows an action that is still going, like a movie playing instead of a frozen photo. The present progressive uses am, is, or are plus the ing verb, and it shows something happening now. The past progressive uses was or were plus the ing verb, and it shows something that was going on before. Same simple recipe, a form of be plus ing, just pointed at a different time. Great work today. I'll see you in the next lesson.